Hi all, let's see delegates in C Sharp. The delegates is a reference type variable that can hold a reference of the method. The signature of the delegate must match the signature of the function the delegate points to. To create a delegate, provide the access modifier, then delegate keyword, then return type, then delegate name, and inside the bracket, provide the number of arguments if any. If you want to invoke this method using this delegate, then this delegate should match this method signature, should have same access modifier, return type, and same number of parameter. Let's see. Here created a sample console application. Inside this program class, created a sample method, my method with one argument. Let's invoke this method using a delegate. You can create a delegate inside or outside the class. Let's create a delegate outside the class. We are going to invoke this method. So this delegate should match this method signature. So this delegate having the same access modifier, return type, and number of parameters. The delegate name is my delegate name. You can give any name which you want. Let's create an object. We are going to invoke this method. So provide the method name inside the bracket. So this object pointing to this method. Let's call the object and pass the parameter to invoke that method. Let's check by running. Here we invoke the method using delegate successfully. By using these delegates, we can invoke more methods which having these delegate signature. Here created two methods, both having same number of arguments, return type and access modifier. Let's invoke. Here created object for this delegate and pointing method A, and created another object for this delegate and pointing method B, and calling objects to invoke these methods respectively. Let's see. Both method invoked successfully. Instead of using new operator, we can also directly point the methods like this. This also work fine. Here, instead of calling each object individually, we can combine like create an object to the delegate and assign all the object using add operator. And call this object and inside that pass the parameter. Here we combine multiple methods to this delegate. This is called multicast delegate. Let's check. Both method invoked successfully. You can invoke more method which having same signature using addition operator. If you want to remove any method from delegate, use subtract operator like this. Here method B will remove and method A only invoke. Let's see. In this place both method invoked and here method B removed and method A only invoked here. Here we are assigning created method to this delegate object. Instead of assigning created method, we can also assign anonymous method like this. Here what will happen means this line will invoke this anonymous method and pass this value to this message parameter and execute the line inside that. To know more about anonymous method, please refer anonymous method video in this tutorial series. In this video, we saw how to invoke a function using delegate. In our next video, we will see how to pass function as parameter. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.